everyone, Namaste and welcome back to my channel with another cardboard project. Yes, this project is all about how to make decorative multi-purpose box at home. If you have any statue of your beloved god, then you can use it as a temple, or you can use it as a showcase in your shop, in your house, to show up your product. The use of DC light makes this box safe and puts extra feature on it. Take a cardboard of this size and make it 2 cm thick by adding different layer. Make all the parts with a given dimension and attach them all in this way. Here all the parts are 2 cm thick. Next, let's make drawer with given dimension. After attaching all the parts, I attach decorative paper sticker which you can buy at nearest stationery shop or from online store. Hello everyone, the process of making has been finished. Now you can add more decoration as you like. You can use it in multiple way. For the safety reason, I have used 3-volt DC lamp which adds extra glowness to this box. You can buy these bulbs from electric shops or online store. This is cheap but best DC bulb. I hope making of this box will add extra feature in your room, in your house or in your shop. What do you think of making this box? Please leave your comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video with new idea.